Before Wall Street, before billionaires and digital charts, there was a single piece of paper, a promise between merchants and the birth of capitalism as we know it. This is the story of how one small deal in the 1600s created the most powerful system on Earth, the stock market. In the 1500s, global trade was exploding. Spices from Asia, gold from Africa, new lands in America. But trade was dangerous and expensive. Ships sank, pirates attacked, crews vanished. A single voyage could make you rich or destroy you. No one wanted to risk it alone, so merchants began sharing the danger and the profits. They invented something new, joint investment. In 1602, the Dutch created something the world had never seen before. The Verenigde Oostindische Compagnie, or Dutch East India Company, VOC. It was the world's first publicly traded company. For the first time in history, anyone could buy a piece of a business, not a ship, not cargo, but ownership itself. They called these pieces shares. To trade these new shares, the Dutch built a place just for it, a buzzing courtyard in Amsterdam where merchants shouted, bargained and gambled. This was the first stock exchange. The rules were simple: buy low, sell high, make money. It was chaotic, loud and full of rumors, and it worked. People were hooked. Soon the VOC became the richest company in the world. It built cities, conquered lands and controlled oceans. Investors made fortunes until greed took over. Speculation exploded. People started buying shares they didn't understand just because everyone else was doing it. Sound familiar? It was the first financial bubble, and when it burst, fortunes disappeared overnight. The idea was unstoppable. London, Paris and Lisbon copied the model. By the 1700s, stock trading had become a social event, a mix of business, gossip and gambling. Coffee houses in London turned into trading floors. That's where the London Stock Exchange was born, out of coffee, chaos and ambition. As the world expanded, so did markets. Railroads, steel, oil, every industry created new fortunes. By the 1800s, the stock exchange wasn't just for merchants, it was the heartbeat of capitalism. Each nation had one, each crash had victims, and each recovery created legends. Across the ocean, New York built its own version, Wall Street. What began under a buttonwood tree in 1792 became the symbol of modern finance. Investors shouted, papers flew, bells rang, and the New York Stock Exchange became the temple of money. From Amsterdam's courtyard to Manhattan's skyscrapers, the same dream survived, turning risk into reward. At its core, the stock market isn't just numbers, and it's belief. Belief that tomorrow can be better. That risk, when shared, can create progress. That wealth, when built right, can move the world. It's not perfect, it's human, but it's one of the greatest inventions in history. From the Dutch East India Company to Wall Street and beyond, the market has evolved, but the game remains the same: hope, greed, and the price of belief. Welcome to the origin of money's greatest stage, the stock market.